Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah Long with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. And you probably can't hear the wind, but you might see the flag standing out behind me. Guys, we're in between cold fronts. It's one of a million reasons we like the Boston Whalers we're standing on. This is a brand new 2024 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Guys, this is a boat that will not only take the family, but will take your friends and run just about any adventure you can imagine. At the back, we love this power from Mercury. Guys, these are V6s, 225 horsepower, each on the back of this boat. Incredibly maneuverable, but very, very fuel efficient. They run quietly. They keep you happy. In the doorway, you've got fresh water. Rinsing off doesn't matter if it's dive gear, the fish that you've caught, or just the kids' feet off the sandbar. You've got a live well in the back corner. Keeps it free. When you have a second live well here as well, you can break up your people on the boat, run two types of bait, or frankly, just cool beer. For when the family's on board, fantastic fold-down bench there. And this is for your fishing buddies and everyone running offshore. They love to gather around the helm. That just keeps things comfortable. Speaking of the helm, what a fantastic place. Guys, individual bolsters here make it very, very comfortable to stand up. But if someone wants to sit down, Whaler actually puts 2 levels of footrest. You got room for your drinks, the latest controls from Mercury, Simrad VHF to match your massive 16-inch screen, JL audio, and of course full glass here, guys. You've got an vent that goes forward in front of your electronics box, great for storing things, and you'll notice that subtle color change. This has a light blue underside of the hardtop to match everything. Here at the front of the boat, we took a second and set up the table and the filler cushions because this, for the folks in your family that want to catch sun, is a wonderful place in a way that they fill the bow of this boat so you can lay back, relax, and lounge. But this is a whaler. Even in rough water, this seat right here is comfortable for anyone going. This boat also, you can tell from these rod holders, has the forward sunshade. When you are hanging out at the sandbar, preferably on a day a little less breezy than today, that'll set up over your head, make a fantastic place to hang out and jump out of the sun. Guys, I'm Jeremiah Long. This is MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, this is a 2024 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Come check it out. Give us a call.